Most people panic the moment their Solitaire cash withdrawal doesn't arrive. They immediately assume the app stopped paying or something went wrong permanently. But here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, delayed or failed payouts are caused by issues that can actually be fixed. In this video, you'll learn the most common reasons Solitaire cash payments may not arrive, the steps you can take to troubleshoot the problem, and when it's time to contact support. Let's start with the first thing you should do. Check your withdrawal status carefully. Many users request a payout and expect it to appear instantly. However, payment processing can take time depending on verification requirements, payment methods, and account reviews. But here's the problem. Most people skip this basic check and immediately assume the worst. If your payout is still marked as pending, the best move is usually to wait for the processing period stated within the app. Rushing to submit multiple requests may create additional confusion. Now here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes the issue isn't the payment itself. It's account verification. For example, John successfully wins a tournament and requests a withdrawal, but his account information doesn't match the required verification details. The payout may be delayed until the issue is resolved. This is where most people fail. They ignore app notifications, verification requests, or emails related to their account. The next thing to check is your payment method. Make sure your account details are accurate and up to date. Even a small error can cause payment issues. In a minute, I'll show you the step that solves many payout problems. Before contacting support, update the app to the latest version. Then restart the app and review your transaction history. Sometimes recent updates contain fixes for account and payment-related issues. Another important step is reviewing the app's terms and eligibility requirements. Certain tournaments, promotions, or regions may have specific payout rules. Understanding those rules can save a lot of frustration. But here's the key point. A delayed payment is not automatically the same as a denied payment. If you've checked your account, verified your payment details, reviewed the withdrawal status, and waited through the stated processing period, then it's time to contact customer support through the official support channels available inside the app. When contacting support, provide clear information. Include your username, withdrawal date, transaction details, and a concise explanation of the issue. This helps the support team investigate faster. So what's the takeaway? If Solitaire Cash isn't paying in 2026, don't assume the worst immediately. Check your withdrawal status, verify your account information, confirm your payment details, update the app, and contact support if necessary. Following these steps can help you identify the issue and potentially resolve it much faster. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more app tutorials and troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment with your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.